All right, we're here at 420 Southeast 34th Street. Let's go take a look inside. Nice paver driveway. New garage is painted beautiful. Beautiful door. Your living room. Pan around here. Dining to the kitchen, newer cabinets, lots of storage space, linoleum floors. Pan around here too, lots and lots of storage space. The laundry room, cabinets, updated electrical. And this goes out to the garage. Let's pop our head in there. Side entry out to the side, and your standard garage, huge water tank. And let's go back through. Bedrooms are all back here. This is your bathroom. Ceramic tile floor. Then bedroom number 3. Excuse me. And closet. All real nice flooring in the bedrooms. Bedroom number 2. Nice closets. And the master. Again, good sized closets, beautiful floors, lots of room, marble windowsills, updated bathroom. Vanity, very cute. All right, let's take a walk out to the back. We'll pop our head out the patio. Nice big backyard. Newer airs. Just crank it away. So the roof is in decent shape. It's been patched up in a couple spots and it's at its end of life expectancy. So that is something that you will have to take care of right away, but there are no active leaks or issues currently. And lots of privacy, lots and lots of privacy. Look at this. It is a great backyard. That's it.